Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use or how you can apply your gift cards or your coupons on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to apply or to use your gift card of eBay is so easy. All you will be needing to do is to simply go buy any products and from there you will be able to uh, apply the promo code. So let's, for example, go to any product. So from here, we can see these many products that they are showing in the home page. And basically, let's just go for this phone case as an example. So from here, I will need just to simply like check the product. And basically, you will need to choose a variation because this product has variations. So now I'm just going to click on buy it now. By clicking on buy it now, I will need just to verify myself. So I will just use this captcha and basically here, and I'm just going to click on verify. Now we will be able to go to the checkout page. So now as we are on the checkout page, you have this ability to pay with these options. So basically, either you can pay with MasterCard, that means like your debit card or credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, and PayPal Credit. So simply, we can simply go down and basically we will find the gift cards and coupons option. So you will need just to enter the code of your gift card. So just make sure to see the gift card and then apply the coupon. So as you can see, applying coupon or added eBay gift cards to your account, and once added, gift cards cannot be removed. That means once you apply it, you won't be able to remove it and it will be applied into your next purchases if it still has some sold. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.